What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So I just watched probably the best One Piece episode. Well, I watched it last night. Best One Piece episode I think I've ever seen. So it's episode 10:15, and it's where Luffy confronts Kaido. And the animation in this is just off the charts, and there's so many good scenes in it. And I just wanted to draw one, and this is my favorite one, I think, of Luffy. It's just real close up. There's so many, but real close up on his face and the hat and the detail in the hat and everything, straw hat. So I had to give it a go, right? So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and eraser if you're following along, and try to have fun. Hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to just do his hat, okay? So we're going to start with the band, right? So that comes along for the rim of his hat, and it is a bumpy line, right? So it's just bumping down along here, right? Real wide, fills up the full width of my page. Around like that, right? And it kind of dips down here. I just love the detail they put in his hat, So this has a rim, right? So it comes around here. It's kind of a broken rim, so it doesn't it doesn't have a full connected line. It just comes across like this. Right, and then the rim goes back. Like so, and then goes back this way as well. It's about there. Okay. So then the red, so we go bump, 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 and then bump, bump, bump. And we connect those three. Well, connect two and then have some fold lines inside. So it goes down around. And then on top, to there, and then some fold lines just inside. Right, like that. So then top part of his hat, again, bumping. They put lots of detail into his hat now for this. They never do, usually. But all the way around. Really made it look like a convincing straw, like a hat made of straw. All the way up around. Might go off the top of my page, but fit in as much as we can. Okay, just up there. And then there's texture all over this. So there's all these curving lines, right? Going in this way. Like that. And then layers of them. So you go again. They kind of get smaller as we go inside. Just a little bit up here. And then just go do the same thing here. Right, kind of like that, and then all texture down here as well. So say on the rim, there's all this kind of stuff curving around the rim of his hat. They really put effort into the hat in this. I think it's why I like this one so much. It's also the serious look on his face that you can't see his face, but. And then all texture on that, right? So we've got like these kind of lines come down towards the rim of his hat, right? And you go out like along. You can just do them kind of quickly. And some on the edge up here. It really feels like the animator is like, look, we're going to have to do a scene where we actually draw his hat really well, because his name is Straw Hat Luffy. So they really put effort into this. I think it's great. The whole episode was amazing. You know, even the part with the ace at the start and everything. Proper animation, you know, they can do it when they want to do it. They need the money, so they save up, and then they drop an episode like this. I'm just thickening up my edge lines a little bit just to make them stand out. Just darkening them up. So if you were looking for a lesson how to draw Luffy's hat, you can stop here. But if not, let's keep going. Okay, so his face down here, right? And he's got like hair coming down. So he's got like a hair spike here and another one, so like here, right? And then like his jaw comes down from there. His nose is like in the middle. So, but we'll just get the shape for his face. It's probably easier. So we'll just go down, right? Down here. And then it kind of comes in towards his chin. So it goes down like so. And then around and back up. Okay. And then facial features inside here. So you can't really see much, right? We can just see his nose. So it comes down and around like that. There's like some hatching here. And then his nose line down around there. And his scar just here. Looks like an eye, but when you add the sort of scar lines, it doesn't. And then his mouth. His mouth is done in kind of this bendy sort of line, right? So, say like two parts, okay? So it's that typical sort of anime thing. So they go down, up, down there, right? So it's kind of this wavy sort of line, and it's got a dimple on the end. So like a line just there, right? And then the other side goes up, down there. Like so. And then his bottom lip line here. Maybe something else there. Like so. Right, and then scratches on his face. Scratches here. Right, and you can do as much of that scratches stuff as you want. And then his earlobe, just there, there. And then more hair sort of sticking down here. Like that, and then his other ear just in underneath. Right, so neck comes down this way. It's down there. And then some more hair just sticking at the back here. Maybe like an ear line just in there. And then some more hair here. Like so. And then his collar just comes down around his chest. There. There. And then his red vest will go that way. Red vest that way. Neck muscle line there. There. Some hatching on top. And then his like collarbones or chest muscle going this way. And again, he's got all these marks and scratches. Some hatching on the top of his nose. Right, and then his big collar. So it comes out this way, down to there. And then the inside of it goes up, across, like that, and then the sort of inside section there. You do the same thing over this side. Big collar, around, down. Then the inside line, there. Like maybe a fold line or something there going around his neck. And then his shoulder, out, down, like so. Just down. Like that. And then some of the edge lines are a little bit like thicker than the rest of them. But that's it. That's how to draw Luffy from episode 1015. I hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.